Hi friends, this is my latest IKEA purchase which I bought recently, a storage organizer, the Jonaxel or Yonaxel, I don't know how it's pronounced, which I assembled today. It's a versatile storage organizer made of powder coated steel, and hence it can be kept anywhere in the household, be it bathroom or kitchen or study or a bedroom or anywhere. So this pull-out basket is either a wire basket like this or a mesh basket, a fine mesh basket. This Jonaxel organizer is a very high in demand product because whenever I've gone, I've never got this mesh basket. So I ended up buying this wire basket. This wire basket is just 225 rupees, whereas a mesh basket is 350. So I console myself telling that I've saved 500 rupees by buying these 4 wire baskets. Anytime I want, I can change to mesh basket, or I can do mix and match. And the size and other details I am giving in the description. You can check out the description below. This whole arrangement cost me 1900 and 200 for the 2 legs and the caster wheel. Like I said, this multi-purpose organizer can be put to use in different ways, but the sole purpose for which I bought it is to keep different vegetables, fruits and coconuts which cannot go into the fridge. So in this video I'm going to show how I assembled this product. This is just joining the 2 frames and fixing these baskets. It's very simple and it hardly takes 10 minutes. So first let's see how I assembled it. So these are the 2 Jonaxel frames, along with which these are the parts which have come. So these 3 parts, at present I will not be using all these parts because these are basically required for fixing the Jonaxel on the wall. So this is the Jonaxel frame which I am going to show now in this video, and all you need is a hammer for that, and a single person can do it. So as you can see, there are 2 parts here. So this one with the screw holder is for the bottom, and these 2 will connect the top portion of the 2 frames. So in both these frames you can see this is the top portion, so there is a short extension here, and this longer one, this will be the bottom. So when it stands like this is the bottom and this is the top. So I have taken the 2 frames and kept it on a wooden plank to protect from damage, and now I am going to connect first the bottom. You can see the longer portion here. So just like they have shown here, they kept it on planks and fixing the bottom connector like this. So this is how it goes, and use this part, place it on top and hit with a hammer so that this fixes inside. So I'm going to place it like this, and this is mainly used for protection so that this part doesn't get damaged when I'm hitting with a hammer. So now I'm going to do the other side. So the bottom part is over. I'm turning it. Now this is going to be easier now. So I'll have to join with these 2 parts in the same way. I'll repeat the same process which I did for the bottom. Now over to the other side. Now the Jonaxel frame is ready. Like this, I completed this part. If you want to fix it stationary, you have to fix with these screws on the bottom. So if you're going to fix it in one place, you can fix it like this. Instead, I purchased a pack of 2 legs and 2 wheels, with which I have the advantage of moving it around or placing it wherever I want. So these are the 2 wheels and these are the 2 legs. I've got these two here, and there's a mini spanner for that. So now this frame is ready. So you can see this is the front portion, and this becomes the back. I've got the basket here, and this is how it will go in. So this becomes the front, and that is why, because I'm going to fit leg and wheel, just like our suitcase with two wheels. The wheel will be in the back side, and the leg will be in the front. So this is the front. Instead of the screws, I'm going to fix the leg here. So now I've got the wheels. I'm going to fit these two wheels here. So the cute little spanner. So now that I fixed the legs and the wheels, I'll fix the wire basket. I've got four of them here. Let me start from the bottom. There is a groove here, actually a raised portion. So I have to match that, and then it goes inside so that it gets locked and doesn't come out. So now it's fully assembled and ready to use. So there are vegetables like onions, potatoes, shallots, that is sambar onion, yam, colocasia, and there is coconuts, different fruits. So each of these I place it in different baskets, and it occupies different places in the household. Like some might be in the kitchen, fruits might be on the dining table. So I keep it at various places, thus wasting a lot of space in the household. So with all those items, I can place this in one place. But I went for the leg and wheel option so that I have the advantage of moving it anywhere. So for my purpose, this wire basket has got a disadvantage. Mesh basket would have been more ideal for placing vegetables in this, because some items like shallots, that is sambar onion, colocasia, then grapes, they will tend to fall from these big openings here. But because I've got this, I have to use it by placing something like a cardboard or a thermocol. But I plan to use this bubble wrap, which I'm going to cut and use this. At least by placing it in the base, I can ensure that things don't fall down. Go down. You can see I kept coconuts here. At one time, each basket can hold only 3 kgs. I kept some fruits here. And I'm going to put onions here. So when I was unwrapping this frame, I showed these parts and I told I'll not be using it then. Now I'll show how this is going to be used. If you're desiring a fixed location for this organizer, it's better to fix it against a wall. So if there is no skirting on the wall, so this part is used to fix on the wall like this. What is shown here. So you can see it will be fitted on the wall like this. If you have a skirting of 10 mm, you fix like this. If you have a skirting of 15 mm, you fix like this. This projection is given for placing one more unit above this. In such a case, this part is used to join the two so that it doesn't move or topple. Top shelf. This is an optional thing. See, this is just as you can see in this picture, it is an additional storage space on the top actually. So you just place it like this and it should click. As you see, without the leg and wheels, this height perfectly fits under the table. So any size table it will perfectly fit. And when I'm doing my stitching, I can keep all my stitching things here and I can use it whichever way I want. Hope you liked watching this video on this Jonaxle storage organizer. In case any of you have already got this product, please share your experience as to how you are using this. Thank you for watching and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.